Hi everyone, this is CA Jeswin. That feels great to introduce myself as a CA. This was possible only because of my hard work and the guidance given by CA Himakan sir. Before coming to this mentorship, I was lacking in exam preparation and presentation. So this mentorship Super 36 program helped me especially in the preparation part and exam presentation part. There was this 100-day strategy which gave a proper timeline within which we have to complete the syllabus and start the revision. So it helped me to revise every subject at least 3 times before writing my final exams. And I filed the day and revision consistently, and that helped me to make precise notes, which was very useful during my revision time. Since we don't have much time to revise the entire subject, this small notes will be very helpful. That was done through DER, and which was a very useful technique. And EMT helped me to understand where I am standing in my preparation and the areas which I have to improve. And also the exam presentation part was very useful for me. Only because of that I got a exemption in audit, which was a very really tough paper in this attempt. Because in one session sir told us that even if you don't know answer to a question, if you know that it will be wrong, don't try to write a full page or 2 pages for that question. Instead, write just 2 or 3 lines, which will fetch you at least 1 or 2 marks. That's how I attempted the audit paper. I didn't know many questions, but I wrote what I know, at least 3 to 4 lines for every question, and I got exemption in audit. That was only because of the presentation tips exam presentation tips given by sir. This program was very helpful in clearing CA, and I got 227 marks from 185 marks in my last attempt. Thank you so much, sir. Because of you, I am CA today. Thank you.